Hi, it's Tony here. Welcome back to our channel. We are professional photography studio and school based in Prague, and today I want to show you how you can easily take pictures like this. Today we will use continuous lights to understand better what the light is doing. We can see it all the time. As a key light, I used really hard light. I took two pieces of foam board and I cut some holes and shapes in it, and I sent the light through it. And the light painted some interesting patterns of lights and shadows on the wall and on the model. This way I added some interesting structures and layers of interest in the image. I wanted to see the model's silhouette on the wall, and that's what I was focusing on while adjusting the beam of light. This is always a bit of experiment, so you just have to try and see what looks good to you. For these kind of images you can use a tool which is called Gobo. It's able to project different patterns of lights and shadows. After we finished the key light adjustment, we took some test images, and you can see that the shadows were really deep. You can find hardly any detail in it, and that's why we brought the second light. It's got a big softbox on and it's lifted up to the ceiling. It's around 4 meters away from the model in front of her. The role of this light is open up the shadows a bit, and you can see immediately that the shadows are getting lighter. We don't want to bring too much light in the photo because we want to keep that heavier, moody atmosphere. After we were done with second light, Bara started posing, and she is wonderful. She knows variety of poses. I instructed Bara to turn face towards the light, but after reviewing the images, I fell in love with those where she is actually turned away from the light. I like the split light on her face, and the images have got the darker atmosphere when she looks into the shadow. If you like the result, now you can try it yourself. Watch out, don't cut off your fingers. Hit that subscribe button not to miss any interesting photography content from Prague. Bye bye.